Pause right now. Stop carrying tomorrow with today's strength. Listen to my voice. I am speaking with purpose, not urgency. What lies ahead will require stability, clarity, and endurance, and I am forming that in you now. Release the tension you have been holding in your body. Loosen your grip on what you think you must control. I command your spirit to settle into stillness. Let your breathing slow. Let your thoughts come into order. I am removing the pressure that clouds your judgment. Stand upright inside. Do not shrink back internally. I am strengthening your core, where decisions are made and resolve is formed. Lay down the strength that came from striving. Lay down the habit of pushing past limits. That strength carried you through survival, but it will not sustain what is coming. Receive strength that is measured. Strength that does not panic when timing stretches. Strength that does not fracture under responsibility. I command your inner life to be fortified. Let endurance rise where impatience once ruled. Let discernment sharpen where confusion lingered. You will not be overwhelmed by what is ahead. You will be equipped for it. Release the need to rush. Speed is not preparation. Consistency is. I am building resilience into you quietly. Not for attention, not for approval, but for longevity. Straighten your posture. Lift your focus. I am training you to carry weight without collapsing inward. Let anxiety loosen its hold. It is not a signal of readiness. It is a signal of misalignment. I realign you now. Mind, will, and spirit come into agreement. Receive calm authority. Not loud, not forceful. Steady. I am increasing your capacity to remain present when pressure rises. To stay grounded when decisions matter. To move deliberately instead of reacting. Release comparison. Release self-measurement. What I am preparing you for cannot be judged by external timelines. I command patience to take root. Not passive waiting, but alert steadiness. Let exhaustion drain out of you. What is ahead cannot be carried by fatigue. I restore your strength at its source. You are being prepared in unseen places. In your restraint, in your consistency, in your willingness to listen before acting. I am refining your focus. Not everything requires your response. Not every door is yours to open. Receive clarity. Receive restraint. Receive resolve. I command courage to rise without aggression. Confidence without noise. Faith without haste. You are learning how to hold responsibility without losing peace. How to stand firm without becoming rigid. How to advance without abandoning wisdom. Let your spirit settle deeper. This is not delay. This is reinforcement. I am strengthening what will carry you through the next season intact. Your judgment, your endurance, your inner balance. Release the need to prove readiness. Readiness is not announced, it is revealed when the moment arrives. I prepare you thoroughly. Nothing rushed, nothing wasted. Stay grounded in me. Let strength replace urgency. Let clarity replace strain. When you step forward, it will not be forced. It will be aligned. I am strengthening you for what's ahead.